Hello everyone. So today in this video tutorial I will show how to use data types in Python. So I'm just creating already a file name with the datatype.py, that's mean the Python. So I'm just creating first string type data type. So I'm creating a variable name x equals to and provide the values here like hello Python. Okay, and put the comments after this lines like string type, and I'm printing the value x and save this file and run this files. So the values is printed on our console hello Python. If you checking this variable type, so it show the string type here. If you see that the values comes in the terminal the string type. Now I'm just creating another type of the file. First I'm remove this. After that I'm creating an integer type. So integer type, suppose I'm writing, and provide the value. After that commenting int is print integer type. Again I'm read the file, so values is be printed. So this is a way you have to provide integer type. After that I'm providing the float type 5.9. Same I'm print this float type. Also I'm just using the complex type like 1j. Print complex type, comment here float. This is a type of float, this is a type of complex. Okay, and after that we are creating a list type. So list type, so declare a list type like apple, banana, and like cherry. So this is a list type. I'm printing list type. If you hit the run again, so all the values is printed in your terminal. After that I'm using the tuple type, tuple type, and assign a value like again same value I put here, copy from this and printed on this line. So this is a tuple type, print tuple type. Again hit the run button. So this is the values printed in terminal. After that I'm using the dictionary type also. For the dictionary type you have to use this, and after date like name, John, age like 30. So this is a dictionary type, this type. Again hit the run button. So values is printed on the terminal. It's a dictionary type. Also using how to use boolean type. So we have like is true, the variable name, and assign the value like false, and print is true. So again hit the run button. So value is printed on the terminal. So this is the today's videos. uh, all the other types or the data types we cover in a future video session. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel for these types of videos and hit the like button. Thank you.